Imagine if you run a business where you sell a variety of products. Let's say a store, for example. So you have so many products you sell within your store. You would like to manage this business properly, basically. So you want to make sure you are making the right decisions. You want to make sure you are making intelligent business decisions. Then you would like to be able to answer so many questions from this business. Some of the questions you would like to answer would include: how much sales did I make this month compared to the same month in the previous year? Okay, so basically you're saying, let's say we're in the month of December 2019. You want to find out how much sales did you make in December 2019 versus December of 2018. Answers like this can help you reach certain business decisions. You may also want to find out if there's a seasonality pattern within your sales. So a seasonality pattern basically means that, so let's say you have your sales data and you are looking through your sales data and you discover that in the month of January and February every year, you always have lower sales. Then sales tend to pick up in the month of March, April, May, and then it dips back down in June. So something of such is what we refer to as seasonality pattern. So you want to see if there is a similarity basically within your sales every year going through certain periods of time, usually monthly. Okay. Also, you may want to find out which of your products sell fastest. So since you're in the business of selling a variety of products, it makes sense for you to know which of your products moves faster, which of your products don't move fast enough, which one do you have to keep in store for a long time, and which one do you have to restock as quick as possible. So this will also help you in making so many different intelligent business decisions. You may also want to find out which of your products is actually the most profitable. So there's a difference between selling fast and being profitable. So I may be able to sell a product in less than 2 weeks, and that product may be less profitable to the one I sell in around 6 months. Okay. Also, you want to find out if your most profitable products are actually moving fast. So you have a product to sell, it is the most profitable product you have, but then it doesn't move as fast as you would like. So you would like to find out what can you do to make your product move faster. You probably want to do a promotion, or you want to issue a discount or stuff like that. So when you have so many questions like this to answer, only something can give you all the required answers you need, and that is from your data, right? So if that's going to come from your data, then you need a tool that can help you seamlessly provide all the answers you need at your fingertips in no time. And guess what? Welcome to this course on Power BI. So Power BI is that tool that's going to give you all the answers that you need from your data, either as a business analyst, as a business user, or whatever you are. If you intend to be an analyst, for example, one of the tools that makes sense for you to learn and know how to use very quickly is Power BI. So we're going to be talking Power BI in this course. My name is Ahmed Oyelowo. Ahmed is a Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate for BI Reporting. I'm also a Microsoft Certified Trainer and a Certified Advanced Financial Modeler from the Financial Modeling Institute. So I train a couple of courses, in-house classes on Microsoft Power BI, Power Query, Financial Modeling, Advanced Data Analysis and Reconciliation with Excel, as well as data presentation.